Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. So, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? So, this is just a quick video. I want to go straight to the point. Please, anytime you come across this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel. Your comment is very, very important. I would like to know what you think about what we're going to discuss. You see, these people have a way of exposing themselves. I don't know if you have noticed this. People, in their camp, I'm talking about fallback group. Many of you know how their intention, because as day goes by, we are getting the reason why they want to fall back and the intention, what they want to achieve with it. People are falling back. Why people, really good people from their camp are actually leaving. But why we are not discussing about those departing from the camp is because it is not relevant. Like nobody is dragging anybody, just like the way they're dragging people to go to their camp. I can tell you that we have some people leaving them and there's no noise. Nobody is celebrating or jubilating over that because you get nothing if you actually mean good. Like what Pastor Rose said yesterday, is a call to serve, not a call to drag position of power. But some of them that are doing what they are doing it because of what they want to gain. Their utterances, their actions have proven that to be right. Like I said, at this platform, I'm not here to drag anybody, like to make case with anybody. What I'm saying is what I know, what I feel that it is right thing to say, what you need to know for you to, make a good decision for yourself. This platform, I don't support. We don't preach violence, killing, criminality, or anything like that. People may misunderstand it because maybe sometimes what you say may not be favorable to what they want. It may not go in line with what they love. But that doesn't mean that we are calling for violence or buying of anybody. I don't support it. And this platform is not is not in any way promoting violence or crime or criminality or terrorism. No, never. We are not here for that. Please. I want to set the record straight. For some of you trying to lay hands on anything to drag people down and all that, the platform is not for that. What I mean, some of you, I'm talking about those that are hell-bent in destroying one another, those that are calling for the head of their brothers and sisters. We are not doing that here. What we do here is to tell you the truth, set the record straight. Politely, that doesn't mean that we are cowards, but it means that we know our rights and we do what we know that is right. We are not here to lie to you, to pretend or deceive you. Never at all. Just pay attention. You will understand what you're actually doing here and what the video is all about. Now, many of you know this guy called Okute Bafra, one of the cut and join specialists, okay, exposing his ignorance and his level of understanding. I don't want to talk about the education here because all of them match everything, but sometimes we need to say it the way it is. He made a post that I'm going to read out for you to see with a picture of US attached to that. Hear this. I am the surrogate, he said. I am the COS. I am Deputy Prime Minister. I am acting head of state. This movement is based on command and control. He put ha 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 ha. Ngozi Ocho. The issue is that some of you that are claiming that you know everything, nobody knows it all. Like even me, I don't know everything, right? The little that I know is what I'm using, I'm managing, and trying to know more. But he who don't know and does not want to know, that's pure division of a fool. Do you understand it? Somebody you don't know and you don't want to know. You don't even care to listen to people that know. That simply means that you're a fool. But if you don't know and you are willing to know, you are not a fool. You are just trying to equip yourself with the knowledge. The word surrogate, COS, DPM, and acting head of state, according to the way he put it here, I have not seen CS claiming that any of his right or post, any of his anything at all, where he put it acting head of state, like he just said to add it here. But they'd love to add something to make it look like it means something else to push their narrative. Surrogate and DPM is the same thing. That is Deputy Prime Minister. They are like deputy. If you are deputizing anybody, yes, you are just, that's the office of surrogate. But surrogate is not word that people used to know. Even me, I will just find the meaning. That's not the fact. So, but if you don't know, try to know. So when you hear surrogate, does not mean that COS is, because what this guy trying to push out there is that COS is taking every title for herself. But some these words actually mean the same, almost. COS that you are using here is what her position from beginning when PM was here, before his arrest and all this nonsense going on now. That is what we know here as. She is the COS of Bafra government in Ezra, and that title had been there. PM have not removed it. Okay. Now the issue of surrogate, you guys started by saying no, she's not. No, she's not. It's a lie. She just gave it to herself. Your core member now, I mean your real, licensed member of a fallback group are calling her that, saying that yeah, I'm no longer taking her serious. So which means you guys actually know from the beginning that the power has been given to her, and you guys are trying your best to take it away using your own mouth. The question is, are you the one that gave her that mandate? No. There's no way PM said she's no longer a surrogate. Like I said before, the word surrogate, when PM gave us, send that message to her that she's a surrogate, PM would have just kept quiet, knowing fully well by default she's the leader, only because of the CS that attached to her name. Is already enough for her to be a leader. But PM know that you guys need more clarification, and he sent it because you know how he had been managing all these deadly people. He know what you guys can do. He just add it so to cement it, to make it official that this is what I gave to her. This is the person that I gave the mandate. But on a normal level, like normal circumstance, as long as she is the CS, you don't need to question who will take over, who will take the position of leadership. You don't need to question that. But because this is who you guys are, I mean, this is what you people know are known for. To tell the PM know everything about you people, he decided to, validate it the more by giving her that surrogate. Okay? I'm happy that now you guys are validating that. You guys are now making it clear to everybody, people that were doubting, you guys are now confirming it, that truly she was appointed as a surrogate. I will leave it there. If you like, write post from heaven to earth. That is what it is. If you like, twist it as all I care. Now, COS made a post, shared the video that we discussed on the last stream yesterday, revealing the person. I don't know, I don't think she put the picture of the guy, but the screenshot, the chat, which I read here on our last stream, I told us this is their secret conversation, planning and plotting on how to get COS arrested, to detain her, to take her out of the picture, so that Dogen will start waxing. But bear this in mind, as God liveth, you are not gonna succeed. God forbid if you succeed, you're still not gonna lead. That's one again. Because, like I said, you guys are wasting your energy to achieve something that you can achieve in a twinkle of an eye. To have this support that you guys are so much in love and so much desperate to start, just forget about what people, forget about everything. Keep on doing the good thing with sincerity, with decency, with honesty. Then Bafra will fall back to you if you can prove that you can do it better than CS or USB government. Let us see how you. But because you don't have anything good to offer, and that's why you are working, you are fighting tooth and nail to maintain relevancy. Destroying every good thing around you, pretend that you are for good, whereas you are not for good. Then in the post that DPM made on her platform, on her X handle, sharing that chat that I I read it out here on our live broadcast. I told us my own take on that. If you have not watched the video after this, go and watch the live stream. Our live stream later on yesterday, or some of it based on your time zone. It could be your nighttime or afternoon. I don't know. But the live stream we discussed about it. Then I was going through the comment. Biafrans are not taking. They are not taking it lightly. But then I saw a post of one powerful, dedicated US member put his comment on her wall on that post that CDS made, CS made, and he's no other person than Methuselah Muwa Melchizedek. He decided to put a comment on that, and I said, "Wow, let me read it." Guess what he said? Then after that, we moved to another person that I want to discuss on this video. He said, "Fools, this time it is no more DOS people that are enemy of Biafra. None is among you fools. Propaganda and blackmailing are the enemy of freedom. I rather embrace Nigeria than to have diabolic and senseless idiots like you people." Can I wear one by one? The truth is that anybody that have criticized the US in the past for sabotaging or going after their own people, the person is right. It's not about criticizing the US as a body, but picking point from the actions of the US is what we're talking about. Many of you in your member DOS have nothing to offer. And when you hear people calling you enemy of Biafra, enemy of freedom, they are right. How on earth can you justify some of your actions? Like when Mazen American was kidnapped, what did you guys do? You allow Biafrans in ESN to begin to fight themselves. Is it true or wrong? I mean, is it true or lie? Tell us. Be honest. You guys started, even it was rumored, I don't have any evidence, that you guys buried some people alive. Can you just imagine how, when you're talking about you cannot be a part of diabolical people? Really, you are saying that one. And you have many diabolical people in your midst. How many of you remember the time they used juju on PM? There was a broadcast of PM where PM could not even pronounce well. They're trying to shift his mouth one side. If you claim that you are following PBM, you should know this, what I'm saying now. If you don't know it, you are not following him enough, to be honest with you. Because it was very, very, very clear. That time, I was very, very worried, to be honest. They're trying to send maybe stroke or something more deadly disease like that to him. And the thing hit PM, but did not hit well. And lucky enough, PM was able to recover quickly. The question is, you are not telling us that you guys are innocent of that? This is just one out of many. I don't need to center this video on what you guys have done, how terrible you people are, not even where. You guys are still that. Should I start talking about what you guys did to PM? Your own brother, apart from the one your diabolical forces you guys are using on Biafrans, what about the way you destroyed his name on social media? To the extent that people from other tribes were like, wow, are they fighting for Biafra, or this is a real civil war? This one is now the real civil war. Because you guys went too far. Dragging his name. Do you know how many people? It was rumored that, again, allegedly, I'm not there, that some people were died because they were listening to PM, not more. Not even they are talking, direct talking. You suspect they are following PM, is enough for you to execute them. What again are you talking about? This is the people, after committing all this nonsense, you want to use where to sugarcoat it. It doesn't work that way to me. Now, he said again, propaganda and blackmail are the enemy of freedom. Really, who organized a video where some people were using stick to destroy okra, claiming that this is what Simon Ekman's men are doing? destroying innocent women, farm produce and everything. That they went to market and destroying everything. You guys mobilize people to do that just to blackmail Simon Ekpa from prime minister to earn sit at home. You went far on that. That's a blackmail. That's a propaganda. I rather embrace Nigeria than to have diabolical and senseless idiot like you people. I will agree with you that I'm not in support of diabolical forces, diabolical powers, and all this that they're using. Yes, you guys used it, and today, fallback group are hell-bent on diabolical forces. Their own is, I don't know, as it stands now, I cannot say that DOS and the fallback group, I don't know which of them are more diabolical in nature. Maybe slightly different, maybe DS may be topping now, but if you know sometime they will take over because the level they're going diabolically is second to none. I'm not joking. Okay. Now you said you rather embrace Nigerian than you already there, my brother. You don't need to tell us. We know that one is not. I'm not gonna comment on that because you are even your comment now. You are commenting from the camp. You understand what I mean? He said idiot like you and other, so that one it doesn't carry any water. So let us just go to again to the post made by the seer. Seer is on our news today. Seer decided to say this. This is people who have 7 tongues. You know, I don't want to attack anybody's religion or anybody's faith, but you see these people that claim that we are what then and we are following nature, we are following our God, God of our land, God of our God. Even the God of land, they really don't even believe in you because many of you don't even know how God of land, God of the land, God of our land, and you claim don't even operate the way you operate. So there's a trending video of fallback group. They are the one sharing that where they set Nigerian police or army military vehicle ablaze. Okay, I think that was yesterday, and I don't know the location. And this guy, Sia, I'm not here to debunk the video. No, I'm not talking about the video or what happened in the video because I don't know much about it. I want to react on the right top that he put there. He said the money that you are contributing every Saturday in Biafran government in exile, yeah, is now yielding fruit. Gradually, men on the ground will cover every root and cronies. All this brainwash idiot following Ngozi Rabese. Hope you will not retweet and be joyful as you used to do. Omo Atros. Now, you don't even know the source of the video you are sharing. You hide somewhere in your own location, claiming that you see it all, claiming what you are not, claiming that you are of Sharafancha or Misharafancha and all that. You are telling people not to share the video you are talking about. See, that's what problem I have with many of you, especially those of these people, those of them that have worked with US and run away. You work with US, you hardly see a sincere person in their midst. This is just the truth. This guy is one of the people that everybody thought that he's sensible, he's determined. All this nonsense that's going on, and he choose to bring out his problem with the caterpillar and want to make it a national problem. And that is why I said it's unheard of. It's not done anywhere. You want to have problem with, or you have problem with somebody, can you just maintain it with you? Let it end with you and the person. Don't drag other people to that. I myself, I have issue with some people. Not problem like what he have with the caterpillar. Some people don't like me. Some do. That doesn't mean that I will bring that hate to you because I have a platform. Now I want to use my platform to blackmail the person so that you also hate the person the way I think that I hate the person. Does it make any sense? Your problem with anybody that's what men do. But if you are this, I don't want to say feminist, but if you are not man enough, all right, you can think otherwise. You may start acting abnormal, thinking that you are doing the right thing. You want to use your platform rather to promote Ogenkere and their fallback group to raise money for them. Good and fine. Nobody's against that. Raise the money. Have you contributed to them? No. But your own is to come out and rant. Very soon you start telling people to help you that you are something, you are in a tight corner, you are this, which is good. Right? It is better than to steal, right? But can you respect those that are these potential helpers of yours? Because you are deceiving them. You are lying. Setting cars ablaze because of one thing or another, because of the nature of our land and all that, is not an issue to me based on what is going on. But you coming out to lie that money you contribute every Saturday to bridge is yielding good fruit. Why don't you use your platform the way you normally do to praise Ogenkere? You have not done that. You know, go around, praise him, be man enough. Do you know how you normally praise Suez? Right? People share the video. I'm just trying to reply based on what you said at the end part of it. That let me read it again. Where's that part? He said, okay. He said, I hope, yeah, this is it. Hope you will not retweet and be joyful as you used to do. Now, you also said something in the past against Ogenkere, and you are joyful and happy, and you retweet some people that said something against Ogenkere, and you are joyful and you're happy then, right? Now that you are now in Ogenkere camp, pretend that you are not, to you are neutral. You, Bafra Unite, now the other one is you guys seem to be better than him. QTV, that his own is madness. Then that other is different, another breed. You guys are Confucianists, and if you check their background, they always tell you that they are traditionalists, they are seer, they are this. But your action and your word is very, very funny. I'm not. If I were you, I would be bold enough to tell you that don't get crazy. You have not said that. I've not seen you saying that. You rather use bridge, the government that PM left. Who is the leader? Then your videos, what you said about him is still in the public. Don't lie. Be man enough and say that. You are calling Ngozi simply because you have issue with Caterpillar, nothing more. She have not done anything wrong to you. You say you in a follow stand on Menanana, right? Can you be in front of, I don't know how I don't know about your date, let me not go there. Can you also stand on a barefoot and mention what CS have done to you wrong? Apart from the issue of Caterpillar. Let me leave it there because I don't want to go deeper. But if you know, this is how they brainwash people. Live on everything. Everything they see, they will convert it to lie, which is very, very terrible. My people, like this video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.